What's going on? So today, oh man, today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is "Unhinged Woman Fights Cops After Attacking Pregnant Lady." Now that is insane. Dang, what'd the pregnant lady do, man? Let's get into it, man. Let's see what they talking about.
On Uncovered.
And I told her to get the fuck away from me before I smack the fuck out of her. Oh, I'm killing a newborn baby because I assaulted her.
June 8th, 2024, Linden, Washington. A dispute in public between the suspect and a pregnant stranger quickly turns chaotic, drawing police into a tense confrontation.
You tell me what's going on?
Yeah, talking shit. Told her not to. That bitch right there. And then she comes and says I freaking harmed her, freaking assaulted her, and then I'm killing her baby.
Contact.
Tell her to go away, dude.
Okay, hold on. Let me talk to you. You don't need to talk to her, okay?
Do your job somewhere else, man.
Nope, I'm doing my job here in Linden. You're in the city of Linden, so I'm doing my job here.
What? Harass a freaking individual for doing what?
That's what I'm here to figure out.
Talking shit.
That's what I'm here to figure out.
Yeah, exactly. So do your job.
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah, go for it.
So can you explain to me what happened?
I just told you, okay?
Oh, she was yelling.
She was yelling, talking a bunch of shit, and I told her to get the fuck away from me before I smacked the fuck out of her, okay? And then she kept talking shit, roaming around, whatever, and then fucking saying, oh, I'm killing a newborn baby because I assaulted her. And I never fucking touched her.
So nobody assaulted anybody?
Nobody assaulted nobody.
Perfect.
So she brought on fucking stupid, so go do your fucking job somewhere else. Get out of here. So I'm here, and I'm looking this way. She goes, look at you, fucking bitch, I'll fucking hurt you, I'll fucking kill you, I'll hurt you, I'll hurt you. I go, you're not gonna do that, go ahead. She grabbed my thumb and just threw it to the road for no reason. I don't even know who she is.
Did she ever hit you?
No, but she's out to threaten me. She's trying to hit me and hurt me, but I looked at her one more time. I said, I'll call the cops in here. She goes, go ahead, I'm not afraid of you. I don't even know who the person is. I wasn't even looking. I was looking to see the bus when they come, and she just like threatened me for no reason.
So what did she say?
She said, I'm not fucking hurt you. Go don't give a shit. I'm fucking hurt you. I'm gonna kill you and hurt you. For no reason. I said, you ain't gonna do it. Go ahead, wait, go call the cops on you. I don't even know who she is. She just went mental on me for no reason. I'm not no snitch. I'm not gonna press charges. I just want her to stay with me.
If she didn't hit you, there's nothing to press charges with.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna get some bus and she's gonna harass me for no reason. Do you think I'm looking at her?
We'll get you another bus. We'll get you another bus.
I just wanna go home.
Or we'll get you a ride. Because how often does this bus come?
We're not going to leave anymore until we figure it out. How do you know her?
I don't.
You don't at all?
I'm waiting for the bus.
Okay.
Okay, so did she just walk up out of nowhere?
She just fucking walked here talking shit.
Okay.
So I told her, get the fuck away from me, don't talk shit. And she kept talking shit.
Okay.
Okay? If a person talks shit, fucking agitates a person, that's what starts war. That's what I'm saying. So go talk to that schizophrenic fucking bitch and tell her to get the fucking recognized, dude. Put herself in check.
Okay, well, we will talk to her as well.
God, I'm waiting for the bus, so I need to get the fuck out of here.
And where are you heading to?
I'm heading to Bellingham. What do you think you fucking know? What do you think? Stop it, dude.
I don't know. This bus goes to Everson. It goes to multiple other places.
Why the fuck you want to know?
Can I get your name real
No.
quick? No?
No.
I think
we have to get your name.
No, you don't.
you're not free to leave.
You're not free to leave yet.
I didn't touch her. I didn't do shit.
So if you want to get on the bus and leave, I need to get your name.
Nope.
Okay, well,
This
then.
is the bus.
My name is Sue. That's it.
So what's your last name, Sue?
I don't have a last name.
You don't have a last name? Do you have an ID card on you?
Nope.
Okay. Well, you're not free to leave, and this is the bus.
I didn't touch her. Okay? I have to
You're
leave.
not free
This
to
is the
leave.
last bus.
You're not free to
You're
go
not-
yet.
you're not free to
We'll
go.
let the bus
I need
know.
a place to go because I'm.
We'll let the bus know. We'll let the bus know to hang out, but we need to get your information before you leave.
My name is Sue.
I
I didn't touch her. I didn't do shit.
At this point, you are detained. You're not free to leave.
what?
Because we're doing an investigation.
Okay, for what?
For an assault.
For assault, I didn't even touch her?
That's what we're trying to figure out.
And now you're making the bus late.
Nope, they're pulling over there until I get your information.
I just told you, not touch that psycho.
Did you touch her belongings?
Yeah, because she would have shut the fuck up and I told her. And you would do the same.
And I'm not discrediting you. I just
Okay?
didn't know who you are.
I didn't touch her.
Okay.
But you don't need to know my name because I did not touch her.
Yes, we
No,
do.
you don't.
We're investigating
No, you
an
don't.
assault.
I didn't touch her. Do you understand? If I touched her, I would have gave you my fucking name.
Did you threaten that you were going to hit her?
Yeah, because she wouldn't stop talking.
Right now
But
we're
did she
going
come in my face?
Okay, so right
I
now
walked
we're going
away.
on. Right now we're going on harassment.
Jesus
at this point,
Christ.
Okay.
Harassment for what?
For threatening to hit her.
Really? When
Yes.
she's sitting there talking to me?
Hey, Sue.
That she's harassing me first.
Hey, Sue.
I came here and I'm sitting here waiting for the bus, reading a fucking book.
Hey, Sue,
Okay.
if you literally calm down
Jesus Christ.
and provide us your name,
If you
then,
guys
then
actually
we're
do
done.
your job somewhere else and stop playing your fucking game and do your ethical code, then shut the up.
We are doing
And
our
then
ethical
talk
code.
to me.
Okay. Nope. You're not free to leave at
Jesus
this time.
Christ.
And we need your name.
God,
We
you
need
know
to
what?
Who you are?
Get the out. You know what you're standing behind? And you're playing a fucking game? Really? Really? I'm living on the fucking streets because you guys want to play the fucking game? Really?
Sue, he's trying to talk.
Really? Really? You know I'm sitting on the fucking street. They took everything from me because you guys want to play the fucking game? I know the fucking Constitution. Really? You want to have to go
I'm trying to help you.
No, you're not.
If
All
you
you're trying to do
calm
is
down.
prevent me from dumbasses. See, I fucking hate that fucking girl. She called you because I assaulted and killed her baby? Really? Really?
She actually didn't call. A random citizen called her.
Yeah, random citizen. When she's sitting there fucking screaming, oh, I killed her baby because I fucking insulted her. Really? Is there any fucking marks on her? None at all.
We're at PC for harassment.
Jesus. That's it for what? When she came up to me and fucking started talking to me? Oh, well, bullshit.
Stop it.
Bullshit. I came here reading my fucking book, waiting for the fucking bus. I don't live here. Went to the library, chilled out,
Hey, Sue, if
and
you
waiting
have
for the bus.
misdemeanor warrants, I'm not.
I don't have any.
So then why are you so content
Okay?
not providing your information?
Because you guys don't need to know it. You guys play the game, you guys can play
We
it.
need to know your name.
Silly.
Well, you might as well tell that bus he could keep on moving, man, because y'all listen, he gonna be behind schedule. Y'all making him stay for overtime and everything. Come on now. That ain't fair. She ain't getting on that bus. Call that thing. It's a wrap. Yo. Keep it pushing. Cause she ain't cooperating. She ain't acting right, man. She ain't acting right. She just said that she was homeless, right? She said, I'm living on the street. I'm homeless. Then she goes and just says a couple of minutes ago, I don't even live here. Well, so are you homeless in another town or what are we, because you said that you live on the street and then you saying, I don't live here. So which one is it? And something is shady. People that don't want to get their names and stuff like that, man, something real shady going on, man. So she probably definitely got something messed up with a record or whatever the case may be. Probably got warrants or unpaid fines or whatever the hell it might be, right?
That's all you're getting.
Sue Itch?
H!
Okay.
Dumbass. Jesus Christ. You guys don't need to know it.
All right.
You guys are gonna arrest me for what? For nothing.
At this point,
Nothing.
it could be
You could
obstruction.
not rob.
Obstruction.
For what?
Not
You
providing
will
your
not
name.
provide us your
For
information.
what? For what? I'm an innocent citizen.
No, we are
Bullshit.
investigating a crime right now.
Yeah, a crime of what? Tell me.
Here
Explain to
for
me.
assault.
Ma'am.
Assault for
here's
what?
where we're at.
Assault for what?
Here's where
Go
we're at.
visit
We
her.
got PC for harassment. You're
Yeah,
gonna
go for
continue
it.
acting the way you're acting.
Go for it then.
Stop talking. I'm
Go
talking.
for it
I'm
then.
trying to explain it to
Go
you.
for it.
Disorderly conduct if you continue.
Go for it. For
It's
what?
obstruction. If you
For what?
continue, I'm going to
For
call
what?
the jail and I will personally
For what?
transport you to the jail.
For what?
Do you understand?
For what?
You either cooperate
What I'm
or
saying
you're gonna
is
go to
for
jail.
what?
Just told you, harassment and obstruction.
Harassment for what?
We just told you.
Threatening her.
I'm going to
Threatening her?
Ma'am, you had your chance. I'm going to call the jail, and if they're going to
Threatening her
I'm
for
going
what?
to drive you there myself.
Yeah,
And you're
see?
gonna go on
You guys
my
are
side.
playing the game of unethicalness. I'm living on the streets because you guys want to play your game.
You either-
and play this thing.
You either
okay?
cooperate and just...
I didn't touch her. She came and talked. I'm sitting there reading a fucking book.
I'm not going with the
Okay?
assault. I'm not going with the assault.
Alright, assault or harassment? Fucking look at that damn bitch, okay? Tell me I fucking what? Killed her non-born baby? Give me a break for touching her? I didn't even fucking lay a hand on her. I told her to shut the up.
Do you have an ID on you?
No.
Are you going to give us your
No, I'm
correct
not.
name? Then I'm going to make a phone call and we'll get that figured out with the jail then.
Fine.
That's the right you want to go.
Do it.
Nobody cares about this.
Do it then. Do it.
You can
Do
literally,
it.
you can literally be on the bus leaving.
Do it.
That's all you would be
No,
doing.
that's all you guys are gonna do. If you guys want to arrest me, go arrest me.
We just want your name
Nope.
and date of birth.
No.
So you're choosing to go to jail
Fine.
rather than give us your name and
Yep.
date of birth. That's what you're going to choose is to go
Yep.
to jail. Okay, let's make
You
a
guys
phone call.
posting charges for what?
At this point, we're at harassment and obstructing.
Hey, I want
and
a
if you
public
continue
attorney.
to behave
disorderly.
loudly
Go for
and
it.
scream at
Go
us
for it.
and make a scene here
Go
in
for
public,
it.
you're going to be charged with disorderly conduct
for
as
it.
well.
Am I disorderly? Oh my god, am I right?
I would say yes, you're being disorderly.
Yeah, okay. You have to live, you put your head on night. You have to put it down.
Yes.
So you understand what they're doing to me? Don't.
Hey, we're just
Okay,
here to
no.
investigate a crime.
Dude, you investigate a crime. You guys play your game, okay? Play your game. Do what? You guys have to sleep your red. I'm sleeping on the streets for the past 9 months because I'm part of the game. I am the game, okay? So you guys want to figure out what you guys are doing before you guys get involved.
No, nobody else is doing anything.
No, you know
but
what you're
yourself
doing.
right
You know what you're doing. Trust me. You know what you're doing. So you don't know what it's like to live on the streets and have your job taken from you and your life taken from you.
What job?
Okay.
What job?
Yeah, but how'd you get them cigarettes then? If you so down bad on your luck, how'd you get them cigarettes?
I got everything taken away from me. My physical falling apart. I can't even see a doctor because they want to play a game. You guys really want to go into this?
No, I just
Would you
kinda
like to
wanted-
trade places with me?
No, I'd like
Okay?
to know more about
Would you
it,
like
though.
to trade places with me? No, you don't.
Sue.
You don't want to know. No, absolutely not.
Okay, you're right. I don't want to trade places with you, but I would like to know more about it.
No, you don't. I'm not going to tell you. Do you think I'm a person like this? for fun? Not because I'm a game. So understand that by your constitution and what badge you wear and the solemn oath you guys f***ing took, okay? So think about that next time you guys play a game. I guess I'll be sleeping on your streets tonight.
You're placed under arrest.
All right.
Did not resist.
Come on, I'm putting my book
Okay,
down.
we got it.
Fine.
So I'm gonna have to search you, okay? Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me?
No.
Nothing like that? Okay, I am gonna have to take everything out of your pockets, too.
You can't take my stuff.
I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna put it in with your
Okay,
stuff.
I want my rights warrant. I want my rights written.
You want
Safe.
me right
Yep.
with them right now?
And I want my public attorney, and you can't fucking do anything other
We're
than
not
that.
gonna ask you any more questions, but I will read you your rights.
Fine. I'm giving it to. Don't stop. I'm giving it to him.
You are making things.
No, I am.
Making it right here. I got it. I'm not gonna take your money or anything.
Yeah, right. Like you guys are ethical. Jesus Christ. Get off me.
Hey,
Well,
you're
she's
being
gonna
pretty.
search you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I need
but
to
you know what?
search.
If you guys assault me,
Wait.
okay, I'm gonna write everything
Not
down.
assaulting.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay.
Sue, I need to search you
I
safely.
got my freaking what's it called? You guys are recording this?
Yes.
Recording it. Record it all the way.
Phone right there, okay?
Because you guys are gonna be talking my turn. Be alive! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hey, Susan.
What?
Can I just talk to you for a second real quick? To avoid the jail and all that stuff, can I just give you a ride to Bellingham? You can be cited and released, and we don't have to go to jail.
I'd be cited for what?
Harassment and disorderly.
Okay, do what about it?
And obstruction.
For what?
Are you okay with that instead?
That's fine, but either way, I don't give a shit.
Does that sound fair to you though? Instead of we skipping the
If you're
booking?
gonna give me a citation, I'm not gonna pay for it.
Okay.
In the story, I don't have money. They put me on the
And I-
streets.
and
Where do
I-
you think I'm living?
Hey, Sue, I'm
In my bag.
trying to talk to you just person to person.
Okay, I'm trying to talk to you person to person, okay?
And I'm listening to you.
Okay, can you listen?
Yes.
See what that bag is? Look at the stuff in my bag. That's what I have remaining of everything they took from me, okay?
We're not trying to take anything from you.
See my teeth? That's what happened because of this game, okay?
So are you-
because you guys want to play this ethical,
So-
unethical game.
so are you-
Constitution
Are
of the
you-
United
Susan,
States.
I'm talking. So are you okay instead of being booked into jail? We just bring you
I
to
don't care.
Bellingham, cite
Whichever
release
you guys
you.
want to do, because apparently you guys think you got authority over everything.
Okay. Sounds like a plan. Then we don't have to book everything into evidence.
Susan Huang was cited for harassment, disorderly conduct, and obstruction before being transported from the scene.
Yeah, the jail must be booked up or something, or something. You know what I'm saying? Of course, obviously they could do cite and release for certain things, but the way that she was acting, yeah, you would definitely go downtown. You know what I'm saying? But jail must be booked up, so that's why they made that call. Like, yo, Sarge, what should we do here? You know, or whatever the case may be. I don't know. This case was a whole lot of nothing. I ain't gonna lie to you. This was some bullshit. This is some BS body cam footage. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. You know, damn, uncovered. You know, typically y'all got some heat. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be on it, but this was like, nah. There was no action for real. Nothing going on. Like, whatever. But anyways, I think the officers did pretty good. I guess I give them a 3. You know, like I said, nothing special happened, man. So, how well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.